Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Because if you have started something and if I have saved something as a draft, I can see it and manage pending hire. Okay. So let me check so that if something which we have already created and we have saved it so we don't have to create from scratch on. But wherever we have left from there onwards, we can start. So let me scroll down and see if we can recollect any name which you are trying to create. It. You can also see. It's much only an issue. I'm not sure if we have created something, but otherwise we can go and create. I'm still not recollecting what was the issue actually. Issue was the event reason in what you say. Even reason in the country region we go and give event reason like hire and other options. So we could only give one event reason. So let me take something back. Data morning in progress. And let me take first. Okay. So we go to manage data. What was the position which we created? Any idea? We will recall that also. I think the plus sign didn't work. The plus sign is not working. But anyway we will. But in the real time able to do. I don't know why it is there in the camera system. It's in. Okay. I added company event reason, salutation. We can take. Last time we created something. Is it? Yeah. Can you search the names? But I think that is already created. I think. Then what was the issue? Is the issue was related to employee is being done. Then the session will be recording and you can practice. But if it is not done, then we can go and create. But it should not be the double case. If you can see, probably we can go into that employee data. Okay. That's not a problem. This is already created. I think you have the old recordings also, because I don't have that link to check. So if you have the old recordings, can you keep it mute and can you check what was the last session? What was the last closing session topic will be completed. Yeah. Meanwhile. I will wait for the while. Can you check? And if it is completed, then we go with a new topic. Yeah, this is what we did last year. Yeah. We can continue with. So position creation and hiring we have done. That is a third method, right? Add new employee. Okay. So foundation object creation and MDF object creation we have done. Hiring also add new employee. We have done. XML part also we have seen from the data model. Okay. So data model, we have not seen, right? XML means working in the provisioning. I have to download it. How to use it? Right. Okay. So, after completing this up to here, what we have done for the foundation, MDF, and for the HR data, we have seen how to create a records for the FO, MDF, and HR data to add new employee functionality also. Right. Now we will go and see the second scenario, where how these objects are defined. So when you go into Manage Org Job Page Structure, you will be going into the location group and you will be creating the records, right? So there you will be, finding certain fields. So when I go into Manage. Okay. When I go here, when I take a location, when I take any of the foundation object and when I take a record from here, you can see certain fields are there. Right. These are certain fields are there. So for creating this, we have these fields available in the Manage Org Job page structure. But these object and fields from where it is coming for foundation object, that is coming from the provisioning from the place called data model. Okay. So we have around total 7 data models. Let me take you into the data model. So I will go back into my Excel. Is my Excel visible or not? Please let me know. I just moved my screen into Excel. Is my Excel visible? No. Okay, let me unshare it and let me share it again. Just give me a moment.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.